Hello, welcome to my channel. I've lost 180 pounds with keto, carnivore, and counting calories. Thank you for watching. Howdy. Let's get things ready for Thursday. If I am half as hungry as I was today, man, oh man, oh man, I'm going to be in a world of hurt tomorrow. Because today was the day I was sickly. And my head's kind of clearing up. I've used some Advil cold and sinus. I've used some Dayquil. I've used all kinds of stuff. All right, cabbage, 133 grams. Broccoli slaw. I think we can probably get 2 more out of this. So we'll do some Thursday and some Friday. So broccoli slaw, 24. For later. Tomatoes. These poor tomatoes about bit the dust. 70. This is that fat-free cheese. I'm going to go on and put some on here today. For there. 28 grams. That's a serving. So, cheese, 28. Let's do some red onions. I like the red onions raw. So, we got to get rid of these before next week. So, we're going to load them up, baby. We're going to load them up, y'all. Okay. Then, no yellow onions. Cucumbers. Oh, shoot. Onion, 84. I sure don't know if I zeroed it out. I'm going to get an idea. Did I? Nope, I did not. Hey, Ziggy. 84 minus 28. Hey, Ziggy. 84 minus 28. Hey, Ziggy. What is 84 minus 28?
84 minus 28 is 56.
There we go. I could have got the calculator on my phone as fast as she was. Okay. Don't be judging me. I can't help it. So we'll fish out some cucumbers here. We're going fishing, y'all. Going fishing. And even if I don't finish these up, the fact that they're in the vinegar water, they'll last. I've had them last a month before. So, even if I don't, oh, poop. Well, I don't think I zeroed that out either. Hold on. Okay, 143 grams of cucumbers. You know I had to ask Ziggy, and I was just, in case she didn't answer me, I sure didn't want you all to have to hear us argue any more than you already did. All right, so now this is that stuff that I made up last night. It's a mixture of the G. Hughes dipping sauce, honey mustard, and the G. Hughes hot Polynesian, and water. So the amount you see come out of here is more because I water it down so I can have more flavor. And I sure forgot to put some seasoning in there. Now. Get my act together here. Come on, fella. Alright, we got some kind of something or another. I think that's the garlic and herb. I'm going to put in some everything bagel seasoning because, you know, I love sesame seeds. I like chewing on them. And a little bit of Greek seasoning. But not too much because we're going to use Greek seasoning in the other part. Okay. Lid. Here we go. So, that's our salad. Smash it down. Get in there, fella. Alright. there's our salad. Can't like not go to work tomorrow. I got a big meeting in the morning, and then I have to do some like online work for the state. So definitely can't be sick tomorrow. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. So let's double check so we know how much ground beef we have. 73%, 212 gram, which otherwise known 7.5 ounces. Okay. Okay, so there's that. And I was gonna put in there a serving of roasted garlic. I use this one. It has less calories. It does have 2 more carbs, but I'm okay with that since I'm swapping, since I was focused on calories. Oh wait, what was a serving? 113. I should know that by now, but oh, there we go. Gotta get it on grams. Come on, almost there. There we go, close enough. Hope you didn't see that, Judy. Alright, so 1 serving. Tom sauce. 3 gram. Alright, so now we're going to use wait a minute, Terry. Alright, some Greek seasoning. And we're going to add a little bit of paprika. Just a little bit. Don't want to get too carried away. And a little bit of garlic, just a pinch. Just a pinch of garlic. Gonna give a little bit of kick, so we're gonna use some of the Dano spicy. And that's all. We're not gonna mess with it no more. Now we're gonna do the Parm cheese. We're gonna zero this out. A serving is 5. Let's try 10 grams. Let's see if we can get 10 grams. Alright, close enough. 10 grams. So, I'll put that in there. And so that will be my supper tomorrow. My lunchbox back there. Or that'll be my lunch. I'm already getting meals mixed up, you guys. Listen, don't judge me. I'm not feeling well. I'll take that and a yogurt. I may not be able to show you all in the morning. I'm not really sure because it depends. I usually get to work pretty early. And then an apple. My work doesn't start. I don't have to be there till 8. But I just have this problem. I wake up and I have to leave my house because I don't like just hanging out at the house. So I usually just get ready and then just go on and leave. So sometimes I get there at 7 o'clock in the morning. Sometimes I get there at 7:02. Sometimes I get there at 7:30. So if I get there early, because I'll be going to my building first, and then I have a meeting at 8:30 with my boss and some other people, and that's at 8:30. So I should be able to get to work and eat my breakfast before I go see my boss and her and the other people. So I'm pretty lucky. I got a pretty good boss. She's not somebody I'm like, unless I worry I make her mad. Then I'm a little bit, So, alright. So, there we go. I'm going to get all this put up and I'll see you in the morning. Am I the only one that wears something like one time and so I throw it? Oh, this is like not my work clothes, but like I come home and I threw on this pair of pajamas for like, I don't know, a couple hours. So I took them off, so I threw them up there because I didn't want to wash them. They're not really dirty. And that's a pair of shorts and that's a pair of shorts. Does anybody else do that? Like put something on for like an hour or so and then you throw it over your closet door because then you don't want to wash it. But then come laundry day, you're like, I don't remember how many times I wore that. So you wash it anyway. Anybody else? Just me? No, I can't be the only one. Hey there, I'm definitely feeling better. I've got a meeting and about a little less than an hour. So I'm going to have my yogurt and my egg casserole. I'm going to eat them both cold. Ain't got time to eat them up. Okay, bye. I'm done with my meeting. It's only 9:15. I'm starving. I hate being sick. I could eat a cow. Oh my gosh, I'm starving, Marvin. Okay, I'm surviving. It is 10:15 right now. I just drank. Hang on, let me look at my daily and see how much water it was. Probably about 44 ounces of water. My stomach's full, and now I feel almost sick because I drank too much water, but I needed something. But I'm still alive, so okay. Now I went ahead and added some electrolytes to my water too, because maybe that's part of what's going on, and maybe I just need some electrolytes in my life because I do it in my coffee, but being sick, maybe I need a little bit more. Oh no, we'll see. I don't have a stomach bug. I'm not pooping or anything, but sorry, I'm burping. It's just the drainage, and then now it's settling in my chest. So I used to lose my voice in the fall every year, and my first husband, he loved it. That was his favorite time of the year because he was like, yeah, Terry can't talk. How mean is that? I'm telling you. Okay, anyway, see you at lunch. Bye. Okay, I got my salad for lunch. I'm hungry. It's 11:15. That's as long as I could wait. And then this is my Italian bowl. It's got the pasta sauce and the cheese and the seasonings that y'all saw me put in. So it's going to be yum in my tongue. And I got an apple. Okay, bye. Supper tonight, I've got 2 half pickles. So in essence, a whole pickle. I'm going to put some tahini on it. Girl, you are sure sassy tonight. That would be Callie. She's full of herself. Alright, so I'm going to put some tahini on some pickles. And then I have some rutabaga. And I have some pulled pork. And for this, I'm just going to do some seasoning. We're going to salt, the smoked salt. So we're going to use some hickory salt. We're going to use a little bit of cherry. Nope, we're going to use some Chef's Blend. Man, that smells good. I'm here to tell you. Some Chef's Blend. And then I want to use a little bit of paprika. Just a little. Alright. Now. Here. Y'all, next week's going to be interesting. Because I won't be having my rutabaga. I won't be having no cucumbers or pickles. If I'm cranky, if I'm mean to y'all, just smile and go with it. Alright, yeah. Let's see what we think. Hey. Let's see what we think here. Now, rutabaga. Rutabaga is always good. I don't care what you do to it. And then our pickle with tahini. There's some twang in there. I think it's lime. Let me see. Hold on. Yep, lime juice. That's what makes me go. It's good, but it makes you pucker. Alright, that's my supper. Macros at the end. Bye. Here's my macros for the day with net carbs. And coming up is my macros for the day with total carbs. Thank you for watching. Bye.